In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a background image for your Trello board, allowing you to create a more personalized and visually appealing workspace. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or simply want to add a personal touch to your board, changing the background image can make a big difference. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Trello board where you wish to change the background image. Once you're there, take a glance towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon that looks like three dots arranged vertically. This is your menu icon. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with several options for customizing your board. What we are looking for is the Change Background option, so find and click on that. Once you select Change Background, you'll transition to a new section specifically designed for modifying your board's visual settings. You'll notice several options to choose from, but for now, let's focus on the Custom section, which allows you to upload your own image. In the Custom area, you'll see a plus icon that is inviting you to add something new. Go ahead and click that plus icon. Now, it's time to upload your image. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate through your folders to find the image you wish to use as your new background. Once you've located it, select the image you want and then hit the Open button to upload it. You'll see the image you chose getting uploaded onto your Trello board. After the upload is complete, there's just a bit more to do. You'll see your image appear in the options. You can now select it to finalize the change. Go ahead and click on your uploaded image and watch as your Trello board gets its new, personalized look with the background you've chosen. And just like that, you've successfully uploaded a background image to your Trello board. This simple customization can make your Trello experience more engaging and delightful. Remember, you can change the background as often as you like if you feel like refreshing your workspace with a new look. Just follow these same steps whenever you're ready for a change. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.